3, 2, 1. Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZB Gear. We are here over at our VP series wall. So, we probably already talked your ear off enough about the VP series, but then again, it's us, so no, it's not enough. We're gonna talk to you a little bit more about what we have on offer because we do actually have some cool new additions. Mainly going to be our VP16x16. We've talked a little bit about that, but it's been a little revamped. So we're really excited with our new 16x16. Instead of offering it as a 16x16 and then 16x16 Pro, we've just kind of rolled it all into one. So with the 16x16, you're getting 16 in, 16 out, but you're also getting the extension that you would have gotten with the Pro. So that means you're going to be able to send a signal over hundreds of feet, 4K, 60, video wall, video matrix, as well as multi-viewing, all in one box. So a really awesome unit. We still have our VP99 Pro, so this is going to be your 9x9 solution with extension. We also have our VP88, which is your 8x8 option, and our VP44, which is going to be your 4x4 option. We also have the VP44 in a Pro, so if you needed extension in just a 4x4, you can also get that. So if you want to be able to send your signal over a good distance, but you want to have all of the features in one box, video wall, video matrix, as well as multi-view, the VP series is going to be what you want. And if you need that longer distance, you're going to want to look at the Pro models. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.